Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to fix Stabilitrak on a Chevy Silverado. First, you'll want to identify the warning signs, like the service Stabilitrak message or reduced engine power. Next, use an OBD-ROMAN2 scanner to pull any diagnostic trouble codes, as these will point you in the right direction. Also, ensure your battery has at least 6 volts and its terminals are clean and tight. This initial check can often resolve simple issues. A common culprit for Stabilitrak issues is a faulty wheel speed sensor. You'll need to locate each of the 4 sensors, one at each wheel. Carefully inspect them for any physical damage, dirt, or corrosion. Cleaning them thoroughly can sometimes resolve the problem. If cleaning doesn't work, use a multimeter to test their resistance. A reading outside the manufacturer's specifications indicates a bad sensor. The steering angle sensor plays a crucial role in the Stabilitrak system. Ensure it's correctly calibrated, as an incorrect reading can trigger warnings. Next, meticulously inspect all relevant wiring harnesses for any signs of fraying, cuts, or loose connections, especially near the sensors and the ABS module. Don't forget to check your brake fluid level and confirm the brake pressure sensor is functioning correctly. After performing any repairs or replacements, it's essential to clear all diagnostic trouble codes from your vehicle's computer. Then, take your Silverado for a thorough test drive to ensure the Stabilitrak system is functioning as it should, with no warning lights reappearing. Remember, regular maintenance helps prevent future issues. And hey, while you're keeping your truck in top shape, why not keep it smelling great too? Check the description for a link to little trees, black ice, and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.